Abranti asabre wabeye kasamafo ediama Ghana mebu no dodo na metre Twene Jonas menimu kasei ne ho edansaye mu kese a wanwe ne ho yi a asem kese ebetime ato no adenti abusuafo according to videos ahodo a ene na mframa mu no abranti we womo etra ni videos ba ku mienu bi no wonya muslimifo akasetia na yenim se muslimi so gidifo ku obi a womo de womo som no womo emfendi ago ene ebiem so no womo difo a wodi womo enimeche prophet Mohammed womo emfa no eni agoko mu nsi ni form ni wonsem ko bi a wogu kono na wonsem de womo ento na sese a tese sabre Twene Jonas de ne nsem kekanye akokasa enya ne kaseti a enu ntina nam so ama muslimifo no dodo na ebu efu na sabre womo epene chapa so obi bi ombehu ni bia no sabre womo declare jihad ewo no so na jihad so de busafo yenim se according to Muslim for womo edidere mu jihad holy war at say we betimi acho so sekan we betimi kun we betimi say womo gidie no enti na ebusuafo ansa na yebeko ensema Twene Jonas koka ya ede oha we say ya bre no yebo video ya womo epene chapa na so womo ede address ensem no efa de ono Twene Jonas eka ye no ye ba me the video no ede a chemu.
Don't joke with Muslim. Jimmy for one, Passia, may kind of great Jimmy, Passia, money man, and to come out, who bet you have allowed back where I go to come out the free, Passia, allow well, my the Gana was my aya. The man and the Abregana. Come with Jimmy, so I need kind of great.
Nazwa. Ali for faith, na gode maka sosai da ka turo min wanga video da kake ganin kaman ba ira baba kan gaba mu sani so da irin wanga jokes ga mu ba mu follow su akwai wani mamin ka Twene na wanti guy bo ha o America o ye Ghana ni o didn't kwasi ade o ya how do you call it jama'a ku yakuri ina zuwa video ga bazan wuce minti 30 ba saboda mu za mu send mai signal ne yayi kokari ya fita cikin wannan shegantaka kai ababan da zaka yi duka amma musulunci Islam especially kaje ka taba annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prophet Mohammed ya fanya joke onye asantihini ba asantihini bane alright jama'a ku je ku ga video shi da zan buga yanzu wanda Ali Fafet ya turo mini da yake alright wa'en waye mu da ke kasar Ghana da suke za su ji yaren ga da ya faru ku ji yaren nan da kyau.
Well, obviously ni Jimmy we don't joke with Muslim. Amunyina Jimmy for nkwa kwasi America no kra kire onya Jimmy kwasi agramoni be na tikroma abisa omo se ubetimi abe hala ubagwerwa. Aizo tikroma di free kwasi ala ubelu omo ye de dagu Ghana for asuma ya adu me na di abre Ghana for. Umfa mu Jimmy so na ni banka no kra kire.
All right, that's the first video. This is the second video. Then Mohammed, okay. That. All right, let me replay it again so I'll know what to tell you.
Jimmy, we don't joke with Muslim. Amunyina Jimmy for nkwa kwasi America no kra kire onya Jimmy kwasi agramoni be na tikroma abisa omo se ubetimi abe hala ubagwerwa. Aizo tikroma di free kwasi ala ubelu omo ye de dagu Ghana for asuma ya adu me na di abre Ghana for. Umfa mu Jimmy so na ni banka no kra kire. Pasha, kwasi asem so na nipa so nkwadi. Dia na Mohammed na ya mobi o. E Ghana o. Kwa mu Jimmy
okay, my NY da ke kasar suke kasan duniya muke ji wanga yaron ga sunan shi wai Jonas daga American ga yake mutumin Ghana ne American ga yake ina ganin ya jima yana wawancin shi yana siyan shi mu irin wanga baba mun fita ciki ba mu cikin irin wanga baba ba mu san abin da ma yake yi ba mu kallon shi to amma kaga ya go too far anan yazo yana programin shi ne she wani yazo karkashi she zana mai abin da kake yin nan kake yi wasa ka je kan musulmai domin in ka je kan musulmai ba za su ɗauke shi likely ba to she ce wai su ta wurin nan an ga musu nan ana wannan Allahu akbar ne me Muhammad astaghfirullah me annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam yayi magana ma. All right, Jonas, all I want to tell you is that if you are doing things on your, because I'm speaking English or Chief for you to understand. I could have speak my own language, Hausa, because I love my Hausa better than all the languages. All right, Jonas, I'm telling you all this. If you are doing your politics, it's better you stick on your politics when you insulting all the how do you call it the president or the last time you even insulted Att𝒂cked, you told him that is I don't know what maybe but you told him that he's sick or maybe I can't even describe how you even insulted him. It's better you stick on your politics. You are going too far. You are going too far. When you insult a Muslim, you insult all entire Islam. And moreover, you go too far. You know, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we don't joke with him. We don't play politics with you. And I'm even surprised some of our own brothers is Muslims. They're supporting you full. Whenever we see your video when you started like glass, we always laugh over it. We always laugh over it. But you don't go too far to insult Islam and even insult our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you insult Att𝒂cked, that is mad or something, maybe Ghana people will deal with you. Ghana will deal with you because yourself don't think you are in America, so you do whatever you want. You are in Ghana, you know the culture, you know the culture, you know the situation in Ghana. The situation in America is not the same as in Ghana. In America, you can do whatever you want. In Ghana, we respect an elderly people. We respect them. We give them maximum respect. It's not like the way you people, like the way we live in America here. You can't go. You can't go extra insulting a religion. Even in America, there's no way that you can be insulting someone's religion. You can't do that. Or you think you can just say whatever you want for you to go free, just like that? You can come and insult whoever you want. Hey, Jonah, you're my warning. Adia uye kwasi adia uye Sasantini say oyari, I don't know what he say. Oyari say we Jimmy o say uno mundili. Say ukurom ya kachira say ubetumi adidi obi atem just in the name of politics. Entiana yenya choose yenya politics. But yanka say Islam omunye politics. Islam for bebre Muslim for omunye politics. But yenya come sheni Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam yemfan hey Jonas, baby, is very, very dangerous. And trust me, yemfan cheuda. Trust me. And now, I say, "Uwabe do America." There's no way ube to me ako fear, ube to me ako Ghana biom. Ebi awabe ka America, so you can insult whoever you want in Ghana. Ube to me dido obi atem o Ghana. Enya dia ube ko fear da.
Nebusuafo, we die ube to me ka say na no akoyi nika. Muslimi fo so ye ni pekuo bi a wo mo de ba no se wo mu ejina ama wo mu ejidi a ebusuafo wo mu go all out internet se wo be hia se wo tumfo de no kaka ye no tumfo ntimi anya ne hwede a ene wo koka de ye nka because muslimi fo no at all cost se waka se tia wo mo som waka se tia wo mo paye bo wo ebo ene obi emsu no wo mo difo a wo mo hye na etu na namon ye na se no waka apa na twene Jonas so obi a ono nso nim no hodi se wono right na ono nso kasa for no kwaridie ntebusefo se dia ko bei Onwa baba bonti abetwe ni nsema sign and aso papa atwo de abusafo it is left to him alone because see ade o marry ate na ni niam no amanfo na asha se kasa ade afa ho se ebeya enko ma bonti na ensem no kan no won twen se asem de obi awakonya yesi freedom of speech obi awakonya so kasa na sometimes so kasa ye etimi tira share emekofa ohaw e de brew entina se si abre ya ye muslimi fo community omo Ghana ha kasa ne kasa ya tira share no ntini wo mo anya na ko mo ne benya ne dende no ene na yesi wo hu ni se we de wafom na yesi wo mepa to no so yo bi so a wo so odidi said wo di so no eye no kre na yesi o nkwan so ka ne kre nti ono so e ka ne nsem pem no na amamafo esro de ma ne se wan hwe kra na na masem we so nti na se Twene Jonas wanam so de ahwe ne nkwan ne busafo de abedu de na yesi ebeja ama monso munya kwan atwemadwe de afa ensem no mo twemadwe no so mo bomo dia enhwe video we enko echire ene bente na to obi etimi enyebi na wonte na mo yesa so no na mo sa follow yen ewo ye social media platforms your Instagram, Twitter so at @TooMuchGH_, Facebook so @TooMuchGH. Musu for munya ba na ama ohusua enyewe na me de nsem yi abesomo na me ye atuma ye besan edi ehia bi makramunya bye bye.